So today I'm going to be building a radiator shroud for this car. I've actually got one. It's kind of a kit. It's in the box here. I'm going to back the Rambler out. I might straighten up the garage a bit first and then put that shroud on here and develop it. Yeah, stay tuned. That's what we're doing today. Oh, the door. Okay, this is what the kit amounts to. This part goes inside the radiator, and I'll cut a hole in here and I'll make a loop out of that, and I'll put it in here, and this needs to fit. This needs to fit in here. Maybe the other way. Get y'all right about there. You can probably see better from that angle anyway. So this needs to go here. And to get that on there, I might have to take this fan off, but I can loosen these nuts here so that this thing can move a little bit. I might be able to get it down there without taking the fan off. That would be nice. Let me get that tool. Got me a pretty good bit of cleanup I need to do in the garage after that engine swap. Let me get it around here. Once I get this done, and set the hood back on here. But I'll also feel a little bit more comfortable about driving it once it has a fan shroud on there, because the fan shroud helps to cool it. Helps to cool the engine. Beautiful day today. The sun's out. It's going to be nice here. I wonder if I could take off this hose without any water leaking out of it. I might be able to. Maybe that the water level is below here. I'm going to give that a try. Maybe a little bit more wiggle room up top here anyway. I think I'm going to have to notch around that one on the bottom. On the one hand, if I drain the water out of this, make it a lot easier not to wind up messing up the radiator. On the other hand, if I drain the water out of this, I'm going to lose most of it, because this radiator doesn't have a drain like it should. I mean, you have to take the bottom hose off to drain it. Of course, when you do that, water goes everywhere. That's not good. So I guess I need to decide, do I want to try to work around that, or if I took it out, I could mount it on the radiator and put the radiator back in there. That might be my best bet too. Should have thought about that before I filled it up with antifreeze. Let's see what I've got right here. Nice to have a big flat pan and I can catch a lot of water in. Let's see what I can find.